In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy shop name on your phone. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your shop's identity, it's a straightforward process that you can easily accomplish using your smartphone. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a seamless experience for you. To get started, you're going to need the Etsy Seller app. Now, it's important to note that this is different from the regular Etsy shopping app, so make sure you have the Etsy Seller app installed on your phone. Once you have that sorted, go ahead and open up the app. Now, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your seller account details to access your dashboard. Once you're in, let's navigate to the shop settings. On the home screen of the Etsy Seller app, you'll notice a menu icon represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Give that a tap. After the menu expands, scroll through until you find the settings option and select it. You're then going to see several sections, but what we want here is info and appearance. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you're in the info and appearance section, you'll see various fields related to your shop's public profile. Look for the field labeled shop name. This is where the magic happens. Tap on the shop name field, and it will bring up the section where you can edit your current shop name. This is where you can get creative, but there are a few guidelines you need to follow. Your new shop name must be between 4 to 20 characters. Also, remember that you can't use spaces. However, you can make your shop name more readable by employing capital letters for each word, such as my shop name. Additionally, the name should only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Once you're satisfied with your updated shop name, the final step is to ensure you save these changes. Simply hit the save button and voila, your shop has a new name. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your Etsy shop name using the Etsy Seller app on your phone. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below or check Etsy support resources for additional assistance. Thanks for watching and happy selling.